So this is the Professional Slope Hill high-speed hair dryer. This one is in pink, but it does come in a couple of other color options as well if you don't like the pink. So it has a few different attachments that go with it. You've got the diffuser, and then you've got these other attachments as well. These attachments are 360-degree rotatable magnetic attachments, so they just attach to the hair dryer really easily. The hair dryer has a 2000 watt high-speed brushless motor to it, so there's overheat protection. It's really fast drying, more powerful than some other hair dryers, and the life will last you quite a while. It has 3 different wind speeds and 3 different cool or hot speeds. So the third is, as far as cool and hot, is 95 degrees, and then the second is 82, the first is 65, and then you can turn the heat all the way off. Then there's the 3 different wind speeds, and then the on and off button. This hair dryer is so small and compact, it's perfect for either a salon or home. It also has a very low noise level to it, but strong wind, and it just dries the hair pretty good. I mean, I would say to my old hair dryer, it was about the same amount of time with less heat, which is nice because we always want to put less heat in our hair. It also has a removable filter with an auto cleaning feature, and then, like I said, it has the magnetic attachments, and when curly hair dryer is turned on again, its built-in memory feature will activate the previous settings. So just a really great hair dryer overall. Like I said, this is can be used for professional use or for personal use at home. I dried my hair this morning, and compared to my old hair dryer, it did take about the same amount of time. I think I mentioned before, but with less heat, which is always nice. My old hair dryer would get my hair so hot that, like, if I touched it, it would burn my fingers, or if the heat was on my head for too long, it would burn me. And so this is really nice not to have so much heat going on the hair dryer, but it just dries everything so quickly. And I did love the look, and keeps fizz and static down.